Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. We're going to check back in with meteorologist Oliver Smith with a look at our weather conditions. Oliver, I know you kind of touched on rain, but what are we seeing in terms of fog, or what is the visibility looking like?
Oh, we're looking at lowering visibility, especially along the Oregon coast. In fact, we'll start off by looking at Brookings. You can see it's pretty wet at this particular time. Plenty of raindrops occurring on the lens, and it is 46 degrees. Although not a whole lot of wind, but there is fog right now along the Oregon coast between about 1 and 5 miles. Also for Mount Sexton Summit because of the low ceiling at that particular location. Rain and snow in the area. Rain right now for Grants Pass and Medford, or at least if it's not raining in Medford, it will be fairly soon. This is all moving from northwest towards the south and the east. And with that, snow levels will be dropping throughout the day, and also temperatures as well. So you can see plenty of activity along the Cascades, but there's not a whole lot up to our northwest. So this is a fairly thin band of moisture overall, but it's going to be a pretty significant snowmaker for the Cascades. Now we'll be looking at rain changing over towards snow east of the Cascades throughout the morning hours. So temperatures will start to nosedive right after that front moves through. But then we'll be looking at scattered showers all throughout the day. Snow levels dropping throughout the day for all locations. And then once we get towards later on this evening, we could be looking at maybe some light snow showers possible here in the Rogue Valley. But because of warm temperatures that we've had throughout the last several days, nothing's really going to accumulate anywhere. In fact, it's just going to be pretty spotty showers at that throughout the day. So snow levels are the highest right now. They'll be dropping all throughout the day. So keep that in mind for traveling over the Cascades, because temperatures will be getting colder throughout the day. It is going to be windy over in Lake County and northeastern Siskiyou County all throughout the day. The wind advisory is set to expire at 10 o'clock tonight. Wind gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour. Kids heading off to school today, 40s and showers. It's going to be kind of a miserable, dreary morning, but by the time you're coming home, we'll see at least a little bit of some sunshine. Not a whole lot of difference in the temperatures. It's going to be pretty chilly and breezy all throughout the day. National Weather Service does have plenty of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories covering a large area of real estate in southern Oregon and parts of northeastern Siskiyou County, all set to expire at 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. So forecast highs for today, we've pretty much already made these highs into the 40s and 50s, so temperatures will mostly be into the 40s west of the Cascades and 30s throughout the day today through east of the Cascades. For tonight, temperatures dropping very cold east of the Cascades, teens and 20s, 20s and 30s east of the Cascades will be below freezing in Medford and Grants Pass. So we'll keep the snow throughout the region again for snowfall forecast through Monday night and very early on Tuesday morning. Quartz Mountain and Warner Mountain between 3 to 8 inches of snow, but we're going to be looking at 1 foot to 1.5 feet, maybe even 2 feet along the Cascades for the next several hours. So it's going to be a pretty miserable drive if you are thinking of traveling over the Cascades for today. Remember, Wednesday going to be a lot better than today. So forecast for the Oregon coast. Temperatures right around 50 for the next several days. We'll see showers today. They will taper off a lot more for Tuesday. Northern California will be looking at windy with showers for today, cooler and dry for Tuesday, and then we'll see more rain and wind for Wednesday and into Thursday. Klamath Basin will be looking at rain changing over to snow for today. Tuesday looks dry, then the wind picks right back up for Wednesday and Thursday. In fact, it could get downright really windy on Thursday. Cascades will be looking at a lot of snow for the next several days, but Tuesday looks to be one of the drier days. For the Rogue Valley, we'll be looking at showers for today. Could see a few snowflakes late tonight.